So hello, good day everyone. Today we're going to tackle about rational functions. So my name is Judina Pantahan.
And I'm Sophia Lemus. So now you may think that rational function is a little tricky, but it's actually just functions with the numerator and denominator are polynomials.
And what makes them interesting and how they graph behave near the asymptotes. And I am Chairman M. Daljano.
To make this lesson simple and engaging, let's study an example together. Our first given function for today is f of x is equal to 2x over x plus 3.
The first thing to do is to find the vertical asymptote. So, the vertical asymptote happens when the denominator becomes 0 because you can't divide by 0 here. So here, the denominator is x plus 3. So if you would solve it, x plus 3 is equals to 0. So x equals to negative 3. So the vertical asymptote is the line x equals negative 3. Then, the horizontal asymptote describes the behavior of the function as x becomes very large. It could be positive or negative. The rule is to compare the degree, highest component, of numerator and denominator. Since the numerator is 2x, so the degree is 1, and the denominator is x plus 3, so the degree is also 1. And since the degrees are equal, the horizontal asymptote is the ratio of the leading coefficient. So the coefficient of 2x is 2. Coefficient of x is in denominator is 1, so the ratio is 2 over 1, so it would make it 2.
The y-intercept is happening where x equal to 0. To find it, substitute the x equal to 0 into f of x. So, ang x naman niya kay 0, so ang x sa f of x kay bailoanan ni mo 0 ang x. So, we have a f and 0 equal to, kay di ba ang given kay 2x over x plus 3. So, ang x kay 0 naman siya, so we have a 2 and 0, and the denominator is 0 plus 3, so we have a 2 times 0 is equal to 0. So we have a 0, so 0 plus 3 is 3. Equal naman siya sa 0 divided by 3 is equal to 0. So the y-intercept is 0 and 0. That means the graph passes through the origin where the x equals to 0 and y is equal to 0. So, to find the x-intercept, you need to equate the numerator into 0. So, the x-intercept is 0. So, ang numerator is 2x. The 2x can be equal to 0. So, x-intercept as is 0.
Let's add our horizontal and vertical asymptote, which is our horizontal asymptote is 2 and our vertical asymptote is negative 3. And it must be a broken line because they are not a part of the graph and they have to act like a boundaries and for also a clear visualization. So, let's solve for the points. To find the points is mag-use ta sa atong formula, atong given. So, mo ni siya. So, f of x equals 2x over x plus 3. Ang pagpangita sa mong points is ang value diri sa x-axis sa ka mangita. Kay, mo man na ang kuan na sa formula din. Mo din ni siya. Ibong butang ang value diri sa x. Ibaylo nimo. So, press ani. So, 2 times negative 2, which is kani, is dire. So, 2 times negative 2 over negative 2 plus 3. Ano siya? Ang negatives is negative 4 of 1. So, i-divide na nimo dayon sila. So, negative 4 So, ang di ba x and y ni siya. So, ang negative 2 diri is, which is kani, is ibutan nimo sa una, then kani dayong 4. Kay mo man ni siya ang imuhang y na, kay mo man itong gisolve. So, mo ni pod sa uban, and then, ing ani dayon siya. So, sa dili, kuan siya, di siya whole pressing ani. So, itong buhaton is negative mo ni siya, negative 2 niya, 4/5. Di ba na siya pwede divide. So, ihimalog 1 and 1/5. So, nahitabuan na is, muna siya, 2 and 1 and 1/5. So, diri dayon siya, 2 and 1 and 1/5. Diri na siya. So, mo ni ang pag-point sa ilaha. Muna sa 2, niya mo ni sa 1, ni sa 0, unya, dili. If you're wondering why wa ko nagamit sa 1 is because, if ang imuhang gisolve nga point is, dili siya maigo siya sa asymptote, which is ang asymptote nato is kuan atong horizontal is 2, mali siya. So nagbalhin ta og 2. So ako nang gisolve. Ang pag-solve nako is kuan ni siya. Kani 2 times 1, 1 plus 3, then 2, 4, then 2, then 1 and 2. Di man siya pwede kay nam siya diri. So mo ni siya nibalhin og 2. So pag diri na dayon ta. Diri din siya nigawas kay 1 and 1/5 naman siya. So naa siya diri ana. So paana imong graph? Same as di sa kilid kay ang nigawas siya kung mag-solve, ang nigawas siya diri is 4. Sa 4 diri is ang 4/4 og 8. Then the second, the negative 5 is ang negative 5 pud siya. Sa 6 is 6 and 4. Then sa 7 is 1 siya 3 and 2 4. So naa siya diri sa 3.
Since the given is f of x equals to x squared minus x minus 2 over x squared minus 5x plus 6, so the first step we have to do is to factor the numerator and denominator. So the numerator, since it is x squared minus x minus 2, so equals to, it would be open parenthesis x minus 2 close parenthesis, then open parenthesis x plus 1 close parenthesis. And then the denominator is, since it is x squared minus 5x plus 6, it would be open parenthesis x minus 2 close parenthesis, open parenthesis x minus 3 close parenthesis. So it would be f of x equals to open parenthesis x minus 2 close parenthesis, then open parenthesis x plus 1 close parenthesis over x minus 2 and x minus 3 close and open parenthesis. So the second step is to cancel common factors. Since both numerator and denominator have x minus 2, so we are going to cancel them. So that we are left with f of x is equals to x plus 1 over x minus 3. It's important because x minus 2 was cancelled, so x equals 2 is a hole in the graph, not an asymptote. The horizontal asymptote is, again, I'm going to explain it. So look at the degrees of the numerator and denominator. The numerator's degree is 1 since it is x plus 1, and the denominator's degree is 1 since it is x minus 3. And when the degrees are same, the horizontal asymptotes is the ratio of the leading coefficient. Here it's 1 over 1, so that would make it 1. So the horizontal asymptote is y equals 1. And the horizontal asymptotes is, so the third step is to find the vertical asymptote. Same with the first example, so let's just continue. The vertical asymptotes occurs when the denominator equals 0 and it wasn't cancelled. Here, the denominator is x minus 3, so x minus 3 is equals to 0, so that would make it x equals to 3. So the vertical asymptote here is x equals 3. So The third step is to find. So the final answer is the vertical asymptotes is x equals to -3 and the horizontal asymptotes is y equals to 2. So the final answer.
So let's find our x and y intercept. So our given is f of x is equals to x plus 1 over x minus 3. So sa y-intercept is himuog 0 ang x. So 0 plus 1 over 0 minus 3. Ang answer niya is equals to 1 over -3. So imong y-intercept is 0 and 1 over 3. Negative 1 over negative 3. So ang dire sa x-intercept is you let your denominator be 0. So, para mas dali siya is, diba, na 0 here. So, ibutangan naman siya 1 kung imo siyang i-multiply or divide. So, pag kuanan niya is i-cross multiply. So, 0 times negative 3, x times negative 3 is 0. So, 1 times x plus 1 is x plus 1. 1 times x plus 1 kana siya. Then, ang imong answer is x is equals to 1. So, man siya imong x-intercept, 1 and 0. So, let's find our points. So, and graph it. So, atong given biya kay x plus 1 over x minus 3. So, ato biyang gaina is kanang ang unsay value sa dinhi is mo imong ibutang sa x. So, biya, ang akong gipili na diri is 4. Which is doon siya sa vertical asymptote. So, pag solve na ko is 4 plus 1 over 4 minus 3 is 5 over 1. So, muna siya 5. Then, na 4, dire, 5. So, muna siya din Then, so on na dayon siya. Same as here. Mao po ni siyang mahitabo din So, muna ni imuhang graph.